How to make money online as social media evaluator. What is Appen? Appen is an Australian-based company that is responsible for data improvement, which is used for developing machine learning and artificial intelligence. Appen serves to the multiples of top technology companies. Their vision is to improve every culture with language and research technology, which it satisfies by helping its customers grow their markets and modify their products to meet the needs of different cultures and languages. For working in Appen, basic requirements are: you need to know how to surf the internet in the English language, which is a must. Note, this company uses a pipeline recruitment process. This means that a single job can represent a considerable number of vacancies, potentially hiring hundreds or thousands of applicants for a single listing. How to apply in Appen? To start earning, you have to register by visiting their website. It offers various kinds of remote jobs, just you need to go through their careers page. Select raters. There are more options available, but for beginners I will recommend applying as raters. Complete your registration process by uploading your CV and other basic information with government-issued ID. Apply for an Appen account. After that, select your country and language. A qualification exam must be taken and passed to be accepted as an independent agent. Once you pass the exam, you will have access to projects. After completing the registration, you will receive a confirmation email after your account gets approved. Once your account is approved, you will have to apply for the project, which will be displayed on their website after you log into their career section. Check your mail regularly after you apply, as every detail and confirmation will be sent to you via mail. Appen also has multiple opportunities like search engine evaluators, social media evaluators, and much more. These jobs don't require any kind of prior experience, except for linguistic and translation roles. You will have to follow guidelines and rate the web pages, etc. The pay rate differs according to different countries. How Appen pays? You can earn up to $250 or above. It depends how much you are working with full effort. The more you work, more you earn. I get very limited time to work, so I earn up to $90. Sometimes my earnings drop below $90 also. Working hours are very flexible. You can work on multiple projects at a time. Invoices on Appen are manual and automatic. It depends on your work. Payouts are on a monthly basis. In the first week of a month you have to submit your previous month invoice. For more information you will be guided by them, so nothing is tough here. Your payment will be sent via Payoneer International Payment Service to your bank account directly or through PayPal. Appen payment proofs. Payments can take up to 1 to 2 weeks to reach to your bank accounts. Some of the frequent asked question here for your understanding. 1. Is it worth working for Appen? Yes, it is worth it, and Appen is legit company. I always have a good experience while working with Appen, as everything is transparent out here. If you are a student or young professional, then you can definitely start working for Appen for part-time earnings. 2. How much does Appen pay an hour? The pay rate differs according to project requirements and criteria. Most probably when you first sign up and get your first project to work with, Appen will pay $3 per hour. Per hour earnings increase when you get involved with multiple projects. 3. What is Social Media Evaluator? Social Media Evaluator is a task where you have to give feedback and ratings on advertisements, news feeds, and search results of social media platforms. 4. How long does Appen take to pay? Once you submit the invoice on the 1st of every month, it will take 2 to 4 days for the invoice to be approved if above $5, and 10 to 15 days for the amount to reach on your bank account. 5. How much does Appen pay for social media evaluators? The minimum payout is $3 per hour. It depends on how many hours you work in a week based on which invoices are generated. Check in the invoicing details of the particular project about the pay rate. 6. What is Appen work from home? Appen provides work-from-home opportunities from the comfort of your home with a decent payout. You can apply for any type of project for which you are interested in working, like transcription, translation, ratings, etc. and start working. Remember, payout is based on an hourly basis, so make sure you check details before applying. Tasks provided by Appen are easy to understand.